Unveiling the future, affiliate marketing reimagined. The world of affiliate marketing is ever evolving, brimming with promise and potential. It's a digital revolution that's here to stay. Current trends are shaping a dynamic landscape. AI and data analytics are making personalization possible, enhancing customer engagement like never before. Influencer marketing is taking center stage, leveraging the power of social media to reach audiences on a personal level. Trust and authenticity form the essence of this strategy. Video content is rising in popularity. It's engaging, interactive, and captures attention, making it a key player in affiliate marketing strategies. In addition, multi-channel attribution is gaining traction. It allows for a balanced and fair commission structure, rewarding all affiliates involved in the customer journey. Lastly, as mobile technology continues to progress, expect mobile affiliate marketing to become increasingly prevalent. It's a future where convenience reigns supreme. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these trends and share insights on how to best leverage them in your affiliate marketing journey.